This digital twin visualization solution for oil and gas pipelines delivers full, dimensional, intelligent monitoring and operation management for oil and gas networks. It features high-fidelity 3D model, simulation of oil and gas stations, powering real-time oil and gas production analysis, precise gas composition monitoring, and dynamic tracking of production capacity and energy consumption. The system also provides statistical counting of alarmed equipment and real-time oversight of all equipment O&M data, including inlet and outlet station pressure and compressor operation status. We enable a complete 3D patrol inspection across the entire site, covering the metering workshop, equipment warehouse, integrated equipment room substation, compressor workshop cabinet room, and process equipment areas. Beyond routine monitoring, it supports professional fire simulation and safety protection management. What's more, the solution is equipped with a SCADA configuration diagram for gas transmission trunk lines, plus centralized real-time monitoring of all plant areas. All around, it digitizes every link of oil and gas pipeline operations, empowering data-driven decision-making and boosting the safety and efficiency of the entire pipeline operation system.